Earliest rocks formed on the Earth's surface is plutonic rock, sedimentary rock, igneous rock, metamorphic. The answer is C, igneous rock. Plutonic is the part of the igneous rock. When the magma or lava cools first time, then which rocks is formed? That is the igneous rock. That why that is known as the primary rock also. These are the hard rocks. They have crystals. Due to the cooling of this type of rock from magma, so they have do not have any fossils and they do not have any layer as sedimentary rocks have. So these are the characteristics of plutonic rock, igneous rock. Sorry. And what are the examples of the granite, basalt, grabo? And one important thing you have to remember that about the igneous rock, 90% of earth crust is formed by the igneous rock. Molten rocks come out the surface of earth. It is known as lava, magma, laccolith, metamorphic. That is lava. What is the difference between the magma and lava? When the rock which is in liquid form inside the earth, then it is called magma inside the earth. But when once this magma come to the surface of the earth, then it is known as lava. Petroleum found in types of rock: granite rock, igneous rock, metamorphic rock, sedimentary rock. The answer D is the sedimentary. Sedimentary is rocks are those rocks which are formed by the deposition of sediments. Okay, 75% of Earth's surface it's formed by the sedimentary rocks, but its contribution to the Earth crust is only 5%. They have layers, they have fossils, coal, sandstone, limestone, clay are the examples of the sedimentary rocks. Which one of the among the following rock does not belong to the same? Shale, limestone, slate, and sandstone. The answer is the slate. Actually, slate is a type of metamorphic rock which is formed by the shale. Due to the pressure and temperature, shale converted into the slate. So, slate is the example of metamorphic rock, and all other three rocks are sedimentary rocks. Shale, limestone, sandstone are the sedimentary rock. This is not responsible for the formation of igneous sediment, liquid rocks, magma, and lava. Very clear answer, that is the sediment. Sediment is the different type of rock compared to the igneous. So igneous rock are formed by the cooling of lava, whereas the sedimentary rocks are formed by the deposition of sediments. Okay, so answer A is the correct. Portion of dash rocks decreases with depth: silicon, iron, lead, and aluminum. The answer A is silicon. What is the amount of silica found on the rocks? The content of silica on the rocks is just 27%. Which one the highest contribution? That is the oxygen. After oxygen, that is the silicon, and then it is a aluminum. Oxygen contribute 46%, silicon 27%, aluminum 8%. So the proportion of silicon rock decreases with the depth. Continental crust consists of dash rock: granite, basaltic, acidic, and basic. The answer is the granite. Granite is the example of igneous rock. Okay, what are the characteristics of igneous rock? It is formed by the cooling of lava. 90% of earth crust is formed due to the igneous rock, and granite is an example of plutonic rock. type of rocks. Most widespread rock in the world are metamorphic rock, sedimentary rock, igneous rock, or none of this. The answer is a sedimentary rock. What does it mean? It means the Earth's surface. 75% of the Earth's surface is found by the igneous rock, but its contribution over the crust is just 5%. So the answer is sedimentary rock is the correct. Position of Earth. Aluminium is 26.4, 23.2, 8.2 and 13.0. What is the answer of that? That is the answer is 8. Which one is the three major contribution of the earth crust? First one is the oxygen, 46%, then silicon, that is 27%, then aluminium 8%. After aluminium, that comes to the calcium. Okay, and the amount of calcium is 3%. The answer 8.2 is the correct. Which of these is not a metamorphic? Slate, quartzite, schist and shale. The answer is shale. Why? Shale is actually the sedimentary rocks, and all others are slate is formed by the shale. When the shale can change its shape, texture or chemical, then it comes to the known as the slate. Quartzite is formed converted from conglomerate, and slate is actually formed by the shale. Okay. Schist is a metamorphic rock which is actually formed by the another metamorphic rock, and that rock is known as the phyllite. Phyllite is also a metamorphic rock, and this metamorphic rock converted into schist. So among all these answer, which one is the correct answer? Shale is a sedimentary rock and all other three are the metamorphic rocks. It is a bedrock, the upper layer of the earth, the middle layer of the earth, the solid rock of the earth, a deep point of the mountain. The answer is C. The solid rock of the earth is known as the bedrock. The following rock is known as the primary rock, igneous rock, metamorphic rock, sedimentary rocks, and none of the answer is A, igneous. Why it is called primary rocks? Because it is formed first by the cooling and solidification of lava and magma. What are the other characteristics of the igneous rock? That 90% of the earth crust is found by the igneous rock. It is a hard. They have crystals. The following mineral has the largest share in the earth crust: oxygen, silicon, aluminum, iron. The answer is A, oxygen. The share of the oxygen is 46. The share of the silicon is 27%. Aluminium 8%, and the contribution of iron is 5%. So the answer A is the correct. The following mineral has the largest share on the earth? That is the different question from the above. The answer is D, iron. Early what you read that the earth crust. In earth crust, oxygen is the maximum content. When we talk about the earth as a whole, so iron is the most abundant. Its contribution is 35%. After iron, it is a oxygen 30% and silicon 15%. The answer of this is iron. Which among the following is a metamorphic? Coal, limestone, slate and shale. The answer is the slate. Slate is formed by which type of rocks? Slate is formed from the shale. Okay. Limestone converted into the marble. Coal is converted into the graphite, and slate is converted from shale, and shale itself is a sedimentary rock. So the answer of among all these four is slate. And what is the metamorphic rock? Metamorphic rocks are those rocks which change its texture, composition due to temperature and pressure.